pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up.
Good morning guys, welcome to Gokarna. It's yet another beautiful day here in Gokarna. It's 10:30 in the morning. Came in the town at 9 in the morning, so you know everybody was opening their shops and doing. First I went to the temple and then I had my tiffin, and right now I'm just exploring the town. The main temple here is Mahabaleshwar temple. It holds in it one of the world's first Atmalinga. Because of that reason, a lot of it grew among like Hindu pilgrimage, and that's why it's popular around among Hindus for its pilgrimage. And even now, because of its beaches, it became popular among foreigners too. We can see and meet lot of foreigners over here. Hindus, I think they only come at like festivals when it's Shivratri. It will be large festival over here. As I showed you the chariot over there, you know, that's I've asked them, they said they will open it during Shivratri only. But now it's more of like beaches and foreigners and stuff, as I showed you earlier. And there is a lot of things you can do here. You can rent your bikes, you can rent bikes, bicycles, you can go scuba diving, you can do paragliding, you can I think you can even learn surfing. There is a surfing school here. I'll show you it later. But as I showed you yesterday, you know, all of the beaches and stuff, you know, the Kudle beach, the Om beach and the Gokarna beach, which I'm gonna show you today. I didn't show you it yesterday because there is a road that goes from my hostel where I'm staying to directly to there, so I didn't show you that. But I'm just exploring the town, man, and it's pretty small and you can literally walk around here. It's that small. It's genuinely small. The thing that you just saw was a school here. I know it's a common thing to see a school, but I was very intrigued about the architecture of the school. And even if you come here, just observe the houses around here, and they're like so beautiful, and all of them have this different kind of architecture. You see, you know, like I have not seen houses like that in a very, very long time. You don't get to see it in cities, but in villages you do. But oh god, yeah, you can rent bikes here, guys. So but yeah, man, no, like the architecture, I will show you guys. I am just arriving at the bus stop. The bus stop is right in front of me. I'll just check in and I will see the timings and stuff. Okay, I'll get back to you. You know, sometimes when I'm just behind there, as you can see that yellow bus over there, there's a bus stop. But sometimes when I'm filming, you know, I just don't know what to show you guys, because like there are a lot of things, you know, that we almost see in India. Most of you watching are from India, right? So when I cannot show you just cows roaming around in the street, because that's common in India. The chariot that I've shown you earlier, that's something that you found in India, right? The shops or the people. So I just fell in this trap, like what should I show you? What should I show? That's the biggest question I have. So I guess I'm just gonna walk around, and this is very, very beautiful, guys. As I told you earlier, the houses I cannot show you because I don't know anyone here, but the houses are so beautiful, man. Like it's architecture, their architecture and stuff. Okay, there is something here. I'll try to show too. Then behind me is Mahaganpati temple, straight behind me, and to this side is Mahabaleshwar temple. It's not allowed to shoot anything over there, like inside, outside, nothing. So I didn't shoot. I just shot the board of Mahabaleshwar temple. I just saw you, and I want to talk about this. Look at this architecture, man. You know, I was talking like, look at this.
I see the Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights.
Sorry for the lighting, it's gonna change and come because there are a lot of nets over here. But yeah, there is another entrance to the temple. You can see like little bit of temple from here, but not there from there. Right now I'm heading towards beach, the Gokarna beach that I didn't show you yesterday. So yeah, if you come around here, there are a lot of shops over here too, like for shopping, for your souvenirs, for clothes, for your spices and everything. I wish you can smell the spices. It's so strong because there are so many shops over here. So yeah, let's go to the beach.
I'm falling, the cityscape by night. Wanna catch in my photos where you go. Every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights.
I will show you something, wait, okay? Show you something. That you see right there, that building, yep, that's hostel. That's where I'm staying, and you know, like every morning I just wake up, come, and there is a chair near to my room. I just sit there and I just take this in. It's so nice, the waves. You can hear the waves all night long. But one of the thing about this beach is that it's 11:30 or 11, but I think it's 11:30 in the afternoon. There are still so many people over here, like literally so many people over here. But yeah, there's a park over there to sit, and this is a beach, and there are few water games for kids over here. That's it, man. There are like a lot of people. If you come here in the morning, there are a lot of people who do surfing. There will be paragliding over there, somewhere over there, I don't think. And to the route to go to Kudle beach. If you want to go from Gokarna beach, from my hostel, it's like a road nearby, so I just went like that. But if you want to go, you see that hill there, that big hill over there. Yep, that's what you have to cross if you want to reach to that beach. Yeah, you have to cross that. There is no other way. Same thing, from Gokarna you cross that hill, go up that hill, go down, you will reach Kudle beach. And from Kudle beach there will be another hill, you take that, you climb it up, go down, there will be that Om beach, and same thing to Half Moon and to Paradise and to Belican, and then come back by bus. Or you can come back by walk, but there will be no energy in you if you go like that. But this is good, this is a very good beach, man, like people are still swimming, people are still, here that even at 11:30 in the morning.
The beginning and the end. But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again.
One of the things that I observed a lot in this village, exploring this, is graffiti. Like especially in this road that you can see behind me, this is where it will lead me to hostel and stuff. There is a lot of graffiti here, like down the doors and stuff, but it's very small road, and autos go from here. You can see one that's coming there. So all the vehicles, the autos, stuff and everything travels from here. But yeah, man, this is a village. There's a entire town, village, city, whatever you wanna call. This Gokarna for you. As you can see, I'm just walking through this. The hostel management here told me that this used to be a forest, but due to growing tourists and stuff, now they made a road, and there are a lot of like places over here. So that's it for this video. I will see you guys in the next one, which will be, I think it will be to Murdeshwar, one of India's second largest Shiva statue. So I'll see you there, okay? Bye.